Meet Ronald. He works for a construction company as an accountant. Ronald's company has a serious problem. The company bought health insurance for all workers. To reduce time spent on different costs, all payments were expensed immediately, misrepresenting the company's financial performance. Ronald's trying to solve the problem, but it doesn't work out. See how angry and desperate he is. Ronald decided to share the problem with his co-workers and hoped to receive advice from them. Luckily, one of his colleagues knew a product which would solve the problem for good. She introduced them a product named SYSTRONICS Revenue and Expense Deferrals. SYSTRONICS Revenue and Expense Deferrals for Sage 300 fully automates deferral accounting, eliminating redundant manual processing and homegrown spreadsheet models. Ronald decided to give the product a try, as it was affordable and easy to use. With the installation of SYSTRONICS Revenue and Expense Deferrals, the company now defers all prepayments, dispersing these expenses over the contract periods. Ronald is happy with the result. The management now submits correct quarterly figures. SYSTRONICS Revenue and Expense Deferrals reduce your deferral accounting efforts to the click of a button. Full integration with Sage 300 core modules and all third-party products. Automatic processing through predefined schedules. No dependency on spreadsheets. For more information, visit www.systronics.com.